Nagluto ako ng pork bulalo na sinamahan ko ng mais, kamote.
Very delicious.
Yan ang hapunan namin.
What about in the CR and
It's done. I actually last night I put there the rubbish. That one, it is a new one. It is today. Because what I am doing, I need to remove the rubbish in the night. I put in there, in the bin.
yeah. But do you want to throw all this out too, so it goes out in the rubbish tomorrow?
Yep.
What about in our bedroom? Are all the bins empty there?
It's a little there. Because I put in there last night, I think.
Okay.
Bagging the...
No, I just slipped out of my fingers, for goodness sake.
Stop! Stop! Bastos. He is a good one.
I don't want to be in the movies, you know.
He is a good dishwasher.
I want to be in the movies.
That is my husband. He is a good dishwasher.
And you're a good dish maker, right?
I am offering, but but you refuse my offer.
Yeah, surely. Surely you're right.
My offer is good, but you refuse. How was it? Huh? Siya tagahugas. Ako tagaluto. Oh.
Did you get that on the movie? Huh? Did you get that on the movie? Huh? Did you get that fart on the movie? Huh? Well, you want to help. You want to help. That's pretty nice of you.
That is my husband. He is good in washing.
That's my only use in life, doing the dishes.
That is your job in Philippines, right? Right?
Yeah, and the washing and the cleaning,
Cleaning the house.
the runner.
Runner. He is a good runner.
I like running.
He will bring the plywood from 2 kilometers.
In the Pandasol basket, don't forget that.
Yeah, he is bringing the plywood, one piece of plywood, 4x8, 2 kilometers.
To save 20 pesos. To save 20 pesos, right?
Yeah.
Easy to do to save a bit of money. And what shall I do next?
You're very fast.
What?
You're very fast doing washing.
Yeah.
How would you do that? Huh? It's getting 8.
I've had so many jobs.
Huh?
I've had so many jobs tonight. My official start time is 9:30, so I'll be coming in early.
You're going to Napier?
Tonight?
Hmm?
Yeah, I'll be making all over. All over. Let's say Hastings, Napier, and what more? Flaxmere.
Oh,
Flaxmere.
how many businesses?
Just got one place to work in Flaxmere. School.
Thank you for do some wash.
I like this pot.
Yeah, it's nice. I want to buy another one.
Yeah. How much did you pay for one of these?
35.
$35.
Mm.
That's pretty cheap.
Yeah. Do you think it is mixed with ceramics?
I don't know.
It looks like because
I don't know how they make a pot like that. That's a,
it is made in China.
oh, for sure it will be, yeah. Do you want to have some sweet,
Sweet
watermelon?
sweet melon, sweet watermelon.
Some watermelon. You want to have watermelon?
No. It's so heavy to our tummy by now, especially you. You're going to work. Not good. How about that sweet watermelon? Why don't we try?
No, I don't.
You don't like it?
I don't have some watermelon.
Okay.
Well, I'll just have coffee and I'll just have a cup of coffee and something sweet. instead.
Something sweet.
Coffee too.
You know, it can save really that dishwashing. It's already 2 months. We cannot find this in Philippines. We don't
What's that?
have that.
Find
That
what?
one,
Which one?
the
This one?
brush.
This one here?
Yeah.
Did we have that in the Philippines before?
No, we don't. It's different there.
You want to
Brush is not for the kitchen. It is for the toilet. The bathroom.
So you don't want watermelon? That's fine.
No. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you for...
What's my commission for my performance?
I gave you the commission already.
What's the commission?
My kiss.
Your kids.
That is the commission. Can I have that one? Can I borrow that?
Are you going to use it?
I will wipe the table.
I'll do that. I'll finish that off. You'll put that in the fridge later, will you?
Yeah, later. It's still hot. It's not good.
You having a coffee? Honey?
No. Thank you for watching.